Today, I'm going to quickly show you how to permanently delete automation in FL Studio. Let's automate this knob and then delete the clip. And behold, it just snaps back into place. This can be quite annoying, so let me show you how to permanently delete automation in FL Studio so that this doesn't happen again. Even if you delete the automation clip in the channel rack, it will still be there. There are two ways to deal with this. You can always right-click and select Initiate Song with this position. But that doesn't really address the root cause, because the automation is not deleted. In order to permanently delete the automation, go to the browser, Current Project, and then Initialized Controls. Here you'll find all your automation events. Find the relevant automation event, right-click, and delete it. It's now permanently gone, and whatever it was affecting will no longer be affected by it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.